Hi everyone, welcome to techpex.com. So the project that we will be discussing today is an automatic color-based ball sorting mechanism. This project is a very good application of machine vision using Python programming. So in the real life, such type of project can serve as a food segregation machine and many more. So here on the screen you can see that we have developed a ball sorting mechanism, and we have taken balls of three different colors, that is red, green and blue. You can take balls of any other color as you want, or we can say fruits of different colors. For the time being, the system has been programmed in accordance with these three colors only. Whenever the color will be changed, the system needs to be programmed accordingly. However, in our system, we have provided the feature of calibration in the Python programming to update the color as and when needed. So talking about the structure of this project, here you can see that the platform that is being shown on the video has been first of all designed in SolidWorks software using 3D modeling, and after that it was developed by laser printing into pieces, and the pieces were assembled to form the particular structure shown here. This project serves as an application of mechatronics, as in addition to mechanical engineering we have used here concepts of electronics, as can be seen in the video. Here is a camera that has been used for detecting and taking the picture of the ball that is being presented in front of it, and after that for passing the ball to the segregating slide and even to the next chamber. Here we have used servo motors for this purpose. Since the ball will be passed to the segregation slide and even to the next chamber only upon the detection by the camera, so here for this we have used servo motors connected to the slits in between, and these slits comprise of the holes that will help the ball in passing to the next chamber or to the slide. So the servo motor will be facilitating the to and fro movement of these slits. The current position of this green ball can be considered as the investigation chamber from where the camera captures the color of every ball. So here the ball moves to the next chamber or to the slide through the slit with the help of the servo motor, as it facilitates the movement of the slits. So as soon as the camera is detected the color, the segregation slide moves towards a hole programmed for a particular color. Here we have three holes for all three colors. The hole on the left side is for the red ball, and hole on the right side is for green, and the hole on the center is for blue color. So once the color of the ball is detected by the camera, first of all, the segregation slide moves towards the hole for that particular color, and once the segregation slide has reached its position, then only the slit opens the position for the ball to move to the next chamber and ultimately directly into the segregation slide. This entire mechanism has been programmed in a Python script that comprises of the image processing libraries, image acquisition, and machine vision libraries. The graphical user interface being shown here has also been developed using Python. Additionally, port programming has also been used, through which we have connected our PC with a microcontroller, and the microcontroller further instructs all the electronics components that have been deployed on the mechanical structure of our project. So now let's start with the demonstration of the working of this project. So first of all, the camera will detect the color of the bowl that has been placed inside the investigation chamber, and as soon as it detects the color, the ball will move to the next chamber, and meanwhile the segregation slide will face the particular pocket for that color, and the process will go on in a round robin fashion. So here, as soon as we press the start button of the GUI, here we can see and the color detected is green, and the slide moved towards the leftmost pocket, and now the ball slided towards it. Now, since the next color is blue that has been detected by the camera, and the slide has adjusted towards the centermost pocket. Now next color is green, so the slide will move again to the rightmost pocket, Next, red color has been detected by the camera as shown on the screen of the PC as well, and the red ball moves to the leftmost pocket. It's green again, and the ball will slide towards the rightmost pocket again. So this is how this project works. So you can see that the balls have been sorted in accordance with their color only, and they have moved exactly to the programmed pockets. So below these pockets you can use any other container or bucket as per your choice in order to store the objects that are being sorted using this mechanism. The microcontroller that has been used in this project is Arduino, and this cutting edge technology serves as a proper example of various domains such as embedded system, artificial intelligence, machine learning, embedded tree in which the Arduino has been programmed, and Python programming, since all the libraries that we have used of image processing and image acquisition have been programmed in Python. Other than that, it is a perfect example of mechatronics as discussed earlier, since combines both the mechanical structure and the components of electronics as well, which are webcam, servo motor, microcontroller. So that's all about this project. If you like this project and you want to buy it, you may contact us using the link given in the description below. We can also provide the project kit using other microcontrollers such as Raspberry Pi or any other controller as per your convenience. This project is highly customizable. So that's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.